feel like you can never get your bow hold right? Like no matter what you do, it always feels kind of awkward. Well, that used to be me until I learned these 5 tips that made my bow hold feel loads easier, helping me play my favorite songs on violin much smoother. And in this video, I'm gonna give you the 5 most common bow hold mistakes and give you some tips to fix them. Be sure to stay to the final tip because it might be the most impactful. My name is Shripati and I've helped numerous beginners learn their favorite songs on violin without even needing to read sheet music. If that seems interesting, go to the top link in the description to book a free call with me to discuss your goals and see how I can help you. The first mistake is not bending your thumb. I noticed this in one of my students who was struggling to get that rich sound, but once he fixed it, his sound was way better. When you bend your thumb, you have more control over the bow, which allows you to rely more on an open wrist. To fix this mistake, consistently set reminders during your practice session to check your thumb until it becomes second nature. I would either use sticky notes or timers. Mistake number 2, placing your thumb over here. You aren't exactly holding the bow in the traditional sense. It's more like you're balancing it. You won't be able to use your bow in the fullest capacity when you put it in the throat. So shift it back over to the stick. It might be a little uncomfortable or hard to balance at the beginning, but with practice it should get better. Mistake number 3, keeping the pinky straight. Look, you're not drinking from your cup of tea or something. Because your pinky is straight, your bow is tilting off the string. To fix this, think about your pinky arcing over and pressing down on the stick, which is what is keeping its balance. Mistake number 4, placing all your fingers on the stick. For an optimal bow hold, place your fingers over the stick, not on the stick. Like I said before, we aren't holding the bow, we're balancing it with our fingers. One student of mine was struggling with wrist mobility, but the problem was that he was placing his fingers on the stick and not over it. Once he fixed that, his tone was a lot better. Mistake number 5, your fingers are too close or too far apart. This mistake is actually pretty common. The reason your bow hold feels awkward is because you can't balance it well. So we need to adjust the points of contact to best suit your hands. The distance from the middle finger to the ring finger is often less than the pointy or pinky finger. You might need to move the middle and ring finger closer or farther apart. Fiddle around with moving your fingers until it feels right for you. But the reason you sound bad on violin might not actually be because of your bow hold, and could be something else. So click and watch this video to find out.